So ang story daw niyan ma, may tatlong magkakapatid na babae na in love daw sila sa taga dito sa Lipeyan Mountains. Tapos hindi sila natuloy na ikasal dahil pinigilan nata sila ng ano nila, ng tribo, kaya naging bato sila. Bababa muna kami para mas maganda yung ano, view na makita natin. So mula dito sa taas, ayan, bababa tayo dito, ayan, para mas maganda yung lookout. Let's go. Ayan, dyan tayo bababa. Paikot lang naman ito eh. Ano ma? Mag-enjoy ka?
Okay. Ito wala yung puno-puntokin.
Oo, oo. Andito na tayo ano sa mismong lookout. Oh, ayan oh. Tignan lang natin dito sa ano, H. So ito yung view. Ano ma? Ganda ng view oh. May mga tao doon, ayan oh, diliit. Where? That's I think they are 7. So ang story daw niyan ma, may tatlong magkakapatid na babae na in love daw sila sa taga dito sa Lipeyan Mountains. Tapos hindi sila natuloy na ikasal dahil pinigilan nata sila ng ano nila, ng tribo, kaya naging bato sila.
What happened? What's the story, Tatay? What's the story?
Like 3 sisters, they fell. Oh, they fell in love, and then their tribe, they did not allow them to get married, so they became stone. They became rocks.
Why?
Because it's a curse, I think. I don't know.
Is it?
It's the dream legend story. Maybe the king, I think. I don't know. O tara, doon kami galing kanina. So papicture tayo dito sa baba. Tara, bilis. Dami nagpapapicture oh. So ito yung ano, yung stone. Basahin natin ano ba meron dito. Queen Elizabeth Lookout. 1954. Galing pala si Queen Elizabeth dito nung 1954.
Yeah, she died in 2023.
Ito yung lookout ma. Tingnan mo dito. Ganda. Bali. Mat, tayo ka dyan picture. Tapusin muna sila. Oh ma, tayo ka dyan. Dyan lang. Dyan.
Dito pwede na.
Sia, look.
Sia, come on.
Oh, dito ka. Oh, dito. See. Come on.
Okay na.
Tabi kayo, Sia. Look ah. Sia. Parang landam yun. 1, 2, 3.
Wow.
Hindi ka naman nakatingin ma eh. Oh, Sia, look.
Oh, Sia.
Smile. 1, 2, 3. Ganda ng ganda ma, no? Ano masasabi mo dito sa ano?
Yung tanim nila oh. Dikit-dikit pa.
Matalahib to, pwedeng pan-out to, no?
We have this in our school.
Like nilalamig na kami.
I don't know, it's snow or rain. Something is dropping, can you see?
Kaya pala malamig.
Something is dropping. Is it rain or snow?
I think it's snow.
You reckon? It's snow. Snow.
Rain.
Ha? Matayo ka dyan, picturean kita, bilis.
Tulan ng snow. Ayan.
Oh. Smile. 1, 2, 3. Tapa ma. 1, 2, 3. Sia, go with mama. Go with mama.
It's rain.
Oh, 1, 2, 3. Smile, look at the camera, Sia. Sia, look at the camera.
Which one?
Oh, dyan, ganyan ma. 1, 2,
No!
Sia, 1, 2, 3. Smile. O, kaway-kaway kayo. Hindi siya rain, Sia. It's a snow.
No, like I see people up there.
Ah, yeah, they're walking over there.
Can we go there?
We can.
Yay!
Sigurado yung bato na yun may
Grabe, ma. Silip ka dito sa lalim.
2,000.
That's what it looks like.
Sobrang lalim. Oh, alis daw kayo. They're gonna take photo.
Sorry.
Yan ang maganda.
Mama, punta ka dun mamaya ah. Dun sa pwesto na yun. After nila. O, bilis. Mama, dyan ka. Yan, mukhang maganda view dyan eh.
Magandang.
Oh, ma. 1, 2, Sia. Go to mama.
Mama,
Quick. 1. Don't cover the 3 sisters. 1, 2, 3. Look at me, camera on my phone. Oh, one more. 1, 2. Let's go. Search. Woo, lamig. Taas oh. Grabe. Oh, let's go upstairs. Ma. Let's try. We can walk.
Hiking?
We can walk. Let's see.
We're going hiking, okay?
Gusto rin na mag-hiking.
Going
natin na lahat.
Let's go. Scenic walk. Doon kami galing kanina sa taas. And
I think the
pupunta
GoPro's
kami
gonna
doon.
die.
Ano yan?
The GoPro's gonna die.
Yeah?
To the city streets, we began to feel the fire.